All right, guys, it sounds like we're home for another 30 days with our kids. Yay! The How J.A. Rolls Challenge. That was a bug. Let's support our schools. Do it again. Thank you to Snowden Lane Partners for supporting our bowl-a-thon and our golf tournament. We had to cancel those events. Now I'm challenging you to try to do something creative for How J.A. Rolls Challenge. That's Ryan Kirby, AGH, Hank Fisher, Fogcassin, and Ruart Golf. You can still support us and still make sure that we get material into the hands of the students. Have fun!